A very good morning to all the little stars of BIKH. Welcome to Prep 1 class. In today's Prep 1 class, we are going to deal the subject numeracy. Okay, today we are going to see the numeracy, and in numeracy, we are going to learn the number 12. We are going to learn the number 12. Okay, before learning number 12, let us before learning number 12, let us revise numbers 1 to 10. Shall we count 1 to 10? So, by this, you all small children know 1 to 10, right? You wrote in the exam also. I was very happy to see your paper. Okay, let's start counting. You can count after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so many numbers you have learnt counting number up to 10, and you have written in the exam also. So clap for all the children. Okay, so up to 10 you have learnt, and in the last class we had learnt the number 1, 11. Repeat after me, children. 1, 11. 1, 11. 1, 11. Okay, and in today's class we will learn the next number that comes after 11, that is 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Repeat after me, children. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay, so you repeat 10 times these numbers and then start writing in your book. Then you will improve your number skills, as well as you will identify and recognize the numbers. Okay, so dear parents, please make them to recognize the numbers as 1, 11, 1 to 12, and please explain the concept of ones and tens so that they will not get confused in the future numbers. Okay, yes, so let's write 1 to 10 as a revision. Okay, yes. Look at the board. Okay, so number 1 you will be writing in ones place. O is called ones place. So you will start the single digit numbers from ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last number will be 10. Okay, and the last number is 10. Okay, so this is what you have learned from you had learned for your PA2 exam, that is for the midterm, right? Yes, and next you are going to learn number 11. So last class you had learned 11. Here you should write 1 and here you should write 1. So 1, 11. 1, 11. Repeat after me, children. 1, 11. 1, 11. 1, 11. 1, 11. So you are thorough with 11 number, I think so. In today's class, let's do the next number after 11. 1 to 12. Okay, repeat after me, children. 12. How to write 12? 1 to 12. So when you're writing the number, please tell 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay? This is how you write the number 1 to 12. Each time when you write, you please tell and write. Dear parents, make sure your child will tell the numbers and write, otherwise it will become a by heart for them. Okay, so they will, otherwise they'll just continue writing 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In between, if you ask what is 1, 6, they will not be able to tell 16. So each time when they write, make sure they will tell the number and write, so that it will register them for them in the mind. Okay, so 1 to 12. How I am going to write on the board? The same way you all should write it in your book also. Okay, 1 to 12. Practice once again. 1 to 12. 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 Okay, so these are the numbers you have learned today. So we did revision 1 to 10 and number 12. 1 to 12. Okay, and next draw 12 triangles. In the last class we had learned shapes. Remember? So we had learned what shape? Triangle shape. Okay, so your activity here is to draw 12 triangles. Shall we draw the triangle? Shall I show you how to draw a triangle? You need to draw like A. Instead of putting sleeping line here, don't put the sleeping line here. You put the sleeping line here. This will become triangle. This will become triangle. Now shall we draw 12 triangles? Okay. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many triangles I have drawn? 12 triangles. Let us count once again. How to count? Keep a sharp pointed pencil in your hand and keep that sharp pointed pencil on the objects to count. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. This is how you need to count. Or one more method to count. You can use your pencil and you can just put a line. This is counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. This is how you can count. So, dear parents, make your child to either use this method to just draw a pencil mark or to keep a dot to count the objects. Okay. So that it will be helpful for them to do the activities related to the numbers. Okay. And your activity is My Skill Book Math A, page number 47. Okay. Page number 47. You have to write number 12. 1 to 12. Each time when you write, you need to tell the number and write so that it will register the number correctly in your brain. Okay. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. This box also you can utilize, dear parents. You can write here O and T in the same box and make them to practice so that they will be thorough. Okay, so this is number 12. Let us count the lollipops. Yes, let us count the lollipops. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 lollipops you counted in the page number 47. Okay. So these two pages are your activity. Page number 47 and 48 in your My Skill book, that is number 12. Okay. And before that number 12, you have so many activities over here, right? Yes. Dear parents, such activities you can make your child to do because they have learned the numbers 1 to 10, all such related activities. So whenever they are free, you can just make them to complete these activities. They have to count. So let's count the crayons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many crayons are there? There are 10 crayons. Okay, so you you need to match number 10. Okay, so here I am going to match to 10. Okay, now let me count the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me match to 8. This is 8. Okay, now bells. Count the bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me match to 6. Let's me count strawberry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me match to 9. Let me count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is 7. Okay, so dear parents, there is no need for you to wait for my instructions. Since number 1 to 10 is been completed, all the related activities like this counting and matching you can make your child to do in your books. You have a Viva book as well as My Skill book. You can make them to do so that they will enjoy these activities. Please give them small basic guidance how to match the lines, how to count the numbers. So if you give the good guidance for 1 or 2 numbers, the remaining problems they will do by themselves. Okay, yes, all these related activities you can make your child to do it. Okay, they will enjoy. Okay, here the top, let us count the top children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will be writing 6. Okay, let me count the balloon. 1, 2. Okay, how to write 2? Like this. I have written 2. Let me count the kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. And the sun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please write down 4 like this. Aeroplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is how you have to count and write the numbers. Okay, so parents, you can make many pages are there like this. You can make your child to do hardly it will take around 15 to 20 minutes if the child knows the numbers 1 to 10. So please make sure the child will do these activities. It is very interesting, nice activities for the children. They will enjoy doing it with small guidance by the parents. Okay, so this is about the number 12. So we'll just revise what we have done in today's class. Yes. Okay, this is 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Let me count the ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many ice creams are there here? There are 12 ice creams. Okay, yes. And shall we do the revision once again? Yeah, what did we do today? Revision of 1 to 10. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, 1, 1, 11. Repeat after me. 1, 1, 11. Today's new number you have learned. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Okay, you have learned a new number. 1 to 12. So this is for today's class. Dear parents, you can make your child to write every day a page 1 to 10 and start a new number, that is 11, 12, and you can keep on continuing the numbers. And all the activities counting within 1 to 10 objects, you have so many pages in your Viva book as well as My Skill book. So like this is book number 5. Max, we have started book number 5. English we are still in book number 4. Okay, book number 5 we have started maths. All these counting the objects and coloring the numbers, it is very nice activity. You can make your child to do whenever they are free. There is no need for you to follow my instructions like how we were giving before. So since they know the numbers 1 to 10, so whenever they are free, just give them a page or a two page a day and ask them to finish it. They will really enjoy the activity. Okay, so by this we are finishing the class, the numeracy class. Meet you in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye.